Hello everyone, welcome to Clarity 16.0.3 Supportability and Future Training. I am Ramakrishna. As part of this section, we will be talking about the enhancements to conversations. In 16.0.3, we enabled conversations to be an available module on any Blueprint enabled object except pages and timesheets. Conversations is a simple and strong collaborative mechanism for easy business communication within Clarity ecosystem. With conversations, users can communicate via text and share documents for quick collaboration. The reason this is important is because in 16.0.2 we had conversations module in project workspace. Based on customer feedback, we are extending this capability across different workspaces by making conversations as available module on Blueprint enabled objects for enhanced communication within Clarity. Let us get into some more details. In 16.0.2, Conversations module is a selected module in project. In 16.0.3, Conversations module will be present as available module on any Blueprint enabled object. This module is available in the following blueprints, namely project, idea, custom master objects, custom investments, roadmap, investment hierarchy, and agreement. Conversations can be configured as a module through Blueprint. Having the Conversations module added to an object will allow the user to converse from the specific workspace. We are going to leave Conversations module as selected in project's blueprint. In 16.0.3, Conversations module will be available in Blueprint enabled objects once configured for conversations. Users can use @ and start conversing with active users in Clarity system. In 16.0.2, in project conversations with @ mention, we used to display up to 11 suggested names. All team members who are part of the investment, including the investment manager, appear. In project risks, issues, changes, and task conversations, up to 5 suggested names appear. The 4th suggested name is the investment manager, and the 5th one is the entire team. In staffing conversations, up to 5 suggested names appear. User can use @ mention only with those users or resources who have the staffing plan navigate right. In 16.0.3, in all the conversations modules with the @ mention, we display up to 11 suggested names, but user can search and converse with all the resources where they have resource view all or resource view rights on the resource, and the resource is active in the Clarity ecosystem. This makes it more simple and consistent across product. Let us continue to understand some more changes between 16.0.2 and 16.0.3 with respect to conversations. In 16.0.2, we use @ team to converse with team. Also, in conversations module, we had staff tab. Also, we were not able to use @ team to converse with the team from risks, issues, changes, tasks, and staff module. Based on customer feedback, we made the following changes in 16.0.3. Changed the display name from team to staff, and we used @ staff to converse with team. we removed staff tab in conversations, extended the functionality so that user will be able to use @staff to converse with team from risks, issues, changes, tasks, and staff module. In 16.0.3, we can converse from blueprint enabled objects like a custom investment. In the present example, a resource manager logs into a custom investment with name business outcomes and sends a message to the team using @staff. Team has two resources, namely Alex Garcia and Rakesh Bhatt. Message is sent to both the team members. Continuing with the example, one of the team members, Alex Garcia, logs into Clarity. Alex will be able to see a notification. When Alex clicks on notification, a notification model opens. Alex will be able to view and respond to the conversation from notification model. Also, Alex can navigate to the conversation source custom investment, that is business outcomes in this example, by clicking on Go to Investment. As Alex has access rights to business outcome custom investment, Alex will be able to navigate to the custom investment, that is business outcomes. Continuing with the example, other team member Rakesh Bhatt logs into Clarity. Rakesh will be able to see a notification of the conversation. When Rakesh clicks on notification, a notification model opens. Rakesh will be able to view and respond to the conversation from notification model. Rakesh does not have access to business outcome custom investment, and when Rakesh clicks on Go to Investment, he gets an error. You are not authorized to process request. Contact your system administrator for necessary security rights. Let us go through the demo of conversations consume module on master objects. I am logging in as admin into Clarity system, navigating to administration workspace, going to blueprints. Business outcomes is a custom investment and we would like to use this custom investment for this demo purpose. So I am copying the standard blueprint of this custom investment. Navigate into the blueprint, click on modules, go to edit, and we can see conversations as an available module. I am configuring conversations module, publish, go back to blueprint. I'm going to investment. Business outcomes is the custom investment I would like to work with, and I am associating the blueprint that has conversations configured as a module to the instance drawdown funding. Let us log out as admin. I am logging in as a resource manager, Cheryl. I navigate to investment, business outcomes. I navigate to drawdown funding, and here we can see conversations module available for utilization. Now let us go to staff and look at the team members associated to this custom investment. There are two resources associated to this custom investment, namely Alex Garcia and Rakesh Bhatt. Let us go back to conversations, and Cheryl would like to send a message to team using staff. Cheryl also would like to send a message to Alex. In this way, Cheryl is able to send message to the team using @staff and also send a message to an individual Alex. Let us log out as Cheryl. I am logging in as Alex. Please note Alex has access rights to navigate to business outcomes custom investment. I log in and I can see two messages in notifications. Alex is responding to this message from notification model. Alex uses @staff to respond to a message from notification model. Alex navigates to the source investment and responds to the conversation of Cheryl. In this way, Alex is able to respond to the conversations both from notification model as well as navigating to the investment. Logged out as Alex. I am logging in as Rakesh. Please note that Rakesh does not have access rights to the custom investment business outcomes. I log in as Rakesh, go to notification, Rakesh uses @staff to respond to the message, but when Rakesh tries to navigate to the investment, he would see an error message: you are not authorized to process request, contact your system administrator for necessary security rights. In this way, Rakesh is able to respond back to a conversation from notification model, but was not able to navigate to the source custom investment as Rakesh does not have required access rights. This is pretty much what we wanted to cover as demo. That concludes the section. Thank you everyone.